Hello, Amir here. I have developed this Python script to extract data from PDF invoices located inside the PDF invoices folder, charismatic brands folder, right? And convert it into the Excel files that will be placed in this folder. And let us see how this works. It uses PDF Plumber. It uses Datetime, OpenPixel. These are the libraries which are used. JSON is also used because we want to parse the data as JSON. We are using the Open API key for this purpose. It is hidden in the system environment. And then we are using the GPT model 4.1 to parse the data. So uh, we can run it from here also, as well as I have converted the whole script into executable file so that it can be moved to any system where Python is not installed. So I will run it by double clicking it. It has started converting each file located in the folder. Now it has wrote two PDFs into Excel, the third and the fourth one also an output. So there are 5 files. Let us see the Excel invoices folder, charismatic brands folder. We see that 5 files are available over here. Let us see, open it. You can see that this is the Excel file, and meanwhile we can open the PDF file as well. Let me open the corresponding PDF file. So this is a 145 invoice number, and then I open the same PDF. So this is the PDF file, right? And this is the corresponding Excel file, right? So we have it, and we have the combined item code, which is actually style dash color dash size. So as you can see, we have the combined item code. This is the manipulated columns, right? And then we have quantity, unit of measure, result species, unit price, line item total. This is the invoice metadata. This is the vendor. So we have this script, right? And similarly, if we see the other one, for example, this one, 29. Now we open the PDF also. Uh, this is a PDF file. As you can see, we have how many line items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We should have 8 line items. So we can see that we have 8 line items in Excel. Those line items, which in one line we have 2 line items, they are written as separate line items, right? So this is how the data extraction using Python and OpenAI works.